Welcome. In front of me is a Teclast T60, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. To get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and here you'll find a bunch of different toggles. One of them should be a screen recorder. Now if you don't see it on the first page, you can swipe to the left, and this will show you a second page where it looks like the toggle is located for me. Once you click on it, it will give you a pop-up with a couple options like recording audio with the drop-down menu with several options, and also show touches on the screen, which records a semi-transparent readout wherever your finger was pressing the screen. Let's click on start, which does begin a 3-second countdown, and then starts recording. So any application you will open up right now will be recorded, with a little caveat. Applications sometimes have the option to just black screen recorders for quotation mark security and privacy reasons. Now those security and privacy reasons are not your security or privacy, they're the company's security or privacy. So anyway, once you're done recording, you can just pull down your notifications, click on the stop button right here, and this will automatically save the screen recording to your Photos application. Once you navigate to your photos, you will need to navigate to the Collections tab right here, and in here you'll find Movies tab. And as you can see, there it is. It's automatically playing back, and you can also see my finger just pressing. There we go. That is visible for brief moments. So there we go. Now I want to go back to the thing that I mentioned before, which is the privacy and security. So certain applications, for instance Netflix, can just straight up black screen recorders from being able to see the screen. So what you end up having is a black screen. It still records it, but obviously black screen, so nothing there to showcase or watch back later on. And there's nothing, like no notification that you will get that lets you know that what you are trying to record right now is being blocked. So you start off, for instance, on your home screen, open up an application, and you think that you're recording it, but you're not really doing that. You're just wasting your time. So before you go like full on recording something, just make sure that what you're trying to record is allowing you to do so. And additionally, just know that if you find such an application that blocks your screen recorder, there is no option in this Android for you to change. It's just kind of there, and if it's there, then that's it. Which I kind of consider to be a bit of a middle finger, as this is your device, but apparently some company can decide what you can do on your device. In any case, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.